Here's the uncomfortable truth about PTE that no one tells you. Most students lose 15 to 25 marks in PTE writing, not because they're bad at English, but because of tiny avoidable mistakes. And it's happening in every single writing-related task. Let me expose the most common traps and how to never fall into them again. Writing task mistakes and fixes. 1. Summarize written text, SWT. Mistake. Writing two sentences or using connectors like because, and, so, resulting in 0 marks if you use an additional full stop in your answer in between. Many students don't know it must be one single sentence. Otherwise, you get 0 for form. Fix. Use a fixed sentence template and limit yourself to 35 to 60 words with only one full stop. Practice plan. Do 3 to 5 SWTs daily on MockMaster.ai with AI grammar plus sentence structure scoring. 2. Write essay. Mistake. Overusing complex words, going off topic, or exceeding 300 words. All of which can lead to deductions in content, development, grammar, and form. You can lose up to 6 marks for going above or below word limit. Fix. Stick to 250, 280 words. Use a clear essay template. Intro. 2 body paragraphs. Conclusion. Avoid fancy words unless you're 100% sure how to use them. Practice plan. Write 2 essays a day on MockMaster.ai with instant feedback on vocabulary, coherence, and grammar. 3. Reading and writing. Fill in the blanks. Mistake. Picking a word that sounds right without checking collocation, grammar, or logic. This cost you 1 mark per blank, and with 20 plus blanks across your test, that's up to 20 marks gone. Fix. Learn academic collocations, phrasal verbs, and verb preposition pairs. Practice plan. Solve 15 blanks daily on MockMaster.ai, which includes real exam level passages and collocation explanations. 4. Summarize spoken text, SST. Mistake. Copy pasting the transcript with mistakes if you memorized, or writing random disconnected points without a structure. You'll lose marks in content, grammar, and coherence, especially if you miss the main idea. Fix. Use this strategy. Main idea. 2 key points. Conclusion. Stick to 50, 70 words and use transition phrases. Practice plan. Do 2-3 SST tasks daily at MockMaster.ai, complete with audio, AI transcript comparison, and model answers. 5. Listening. Fill in the blanks. Mistake. Typing the right word with the wrong spelling or verb form, e.g. run instead of running. Each wrong blank are 1 full mark lost, and there are 10, 15 blanks. Easy to lose 10 plus marks here. Fix. Improve your listening to writing coordination. Learn word families and homophones. Practice plan. 10 full listening blanks sets daily, timed, on MockMaster.ai 6. Write from dictation, WFD. Mistake. Changing the order of words, missing articles, a, the, or incorrect capitalization, punctuation. Every single error reduces your score in spelling, grammar, and word order. Fix. Use the chunking method. Listen for 3 to 4 word phrases and repeat in that order. Always review your sentence for articles and plurals. Practice plan. Do 30 WFDs per day on MockMaster.ai, which gives feedback on every word you miss and explains why. Pearson isn't failing you. You're losing marks because you don't know how the scoring works. You need real strategies, real practice, real feedback, and that's why we built MockMaster.ai. I'm Malcolm, your PTE coach from A1 Australia PTE IELTS and NATI coaching. Want more secrets like these and tools that actually help you get 79 plus? Practice all these tasks daily at MockMaster.ai. Get full coaching at oneaustraliagroup.com. Call us 0466 466 603. Follow for more no-fluff PTE, IELTS, and NATI CCL tips every single day.